Hey there, welcome back to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. Before we start the game tutorial for Mama Llama, please make sure that you subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my videos. So before I start the game for Mama Llama, I have my students show that they can sing the song. So, Mama Llama kuma la pizza. Mama Llama kuma la pizza. Oh no no not the pizza. Oh no no not the pizza. Eeny meeny dexamini uappa lappa meeny abakacha abawacha xyz. Eeny meeny dexamini uappa lappa meeny abakacha abawacha xyz. Once they show that they can sing the song, I have them keep a steady beat on their bodies. So I would just keep it on the lap, so it'd be Mama Llama kuma la pizza. Mama Llama kuma la pizza, like that. Once they can sing and keep a steady beat, I get them into a circle so we can start the game. So instead of keeping a steady beat just on their legs, it's going to be throughout their body. So it's going to be Mama Llama kuma llama, and on the next kuma llama, they're going to be clapping their neighbor's hands. So altogether it's going to go Mama Llama kuma la pizza. Mama Llama kuma la pizza. Oh no no not the pizza. Oh no no not the pizza. Once they can do that, then we add the next part, which is the eeny meeny dexamini part. On the eeny meeny dexamini part, one student gets to go into the middle of the circle, and they're going to take 4 beats to get there. And how they travel there and how they travel back is up to them. I tell them to get as creative as they want with their dance moves, so they can go walk like an Egyptian, eeny meeny dexamini uappa lappa meeny, so that's 4 beats, and then they go back for 4 beats. Abakacha abawacha xyz, and once you do the next eeny meeny dexamini, everyone else in the circle is copying what the first person did. And they go eeny meeny dexamini uappa lappa meeny, and they go back, abakacha abawacha xyz. The trickiest part of this game is to select students to go into the middle. Now, most of the time you'll have 70 to 80% that are willing to do it, but you always have the select few that are a little more self-conscious, so you don't just want to call them out. So the strategy I use, I will sometimes just sit right in the middle of the circle, and I'm just looking around the circle, and I tell them, if I make eye contact with you, stare me down. If they stare me down, that's telling me that they want to be the next leader, and then they'll go as the game is going on. So it's kind of a fun little mystery of, okay, who's going to be the person that is the leader, and who are we going to copy? Now this game can get really, really wild, because if some student goes into the middle and does a really creative dance move, kids are going to think it's funny, and that's great, because moving can be joyous and really fun and happy time, but it also has to stay under control. So the rule I have is, if the song stops, if they stop singing, then the game just doesn't happen. So it'll probably happen once or twice, and once they realize that, oh, okay, this song is not working if we don't contribute to the music, then they'll still have a good time, there'll still be some giggles here and there, but the song continues and they make beautiful music with it. I hope this Mama Llama game tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please comment below, and make sure to check out the new website in the descriptions below, and subscribe and share. Take care.